Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dynamic table of contents in Google Docs using your Windows PC. First, make sure your document uses heading styles. Select a heading line, then choose normal text heading 1, 2 or 3 from the toolbar so Google can recognize sections. Next, place the cursor where you want the table of content to appear, usually at the top of the document. Then click Insert Table of Contents and pick either the plain text or the linked version. Linked adds clickable links to each heading. After that, your table of content will be generated automatically from the headings. If you edit headings or add sections, click the refresh icon that appears at the top of the table to update it. If you want a different look, change your heading styles, format the heading text, then use Format Paragraph Styles, update heading to match whatever your preference is, and refresh the table to apply those changes. Finally, to remove the table, click it and press delete. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.